Give me a cue, dude. Behind the scenes.
Hey guys, Tom from Optoma here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Alexa-compatible Optoma projector. So this will allow you to say things like, "Hey Alexa, turn on Shark," and then she'll be like, "Okay," and then your projector will power on. Pretty cool, right? Anywho, let's set up the projector. Start off by connecting the included USB dongle to the USB port labeled Alexa. Then, from the projector's home screen, go to Projector Settings, then Projector Settings again, then Power Settings, and change Power Mode Standby to Full Power Active. Full Power Active is required in order to power on the projector with Alexa when connected to Wi-Fi. Now back out of the menu to the home screen and scroll over to Settings, then select Network. Next, select Projector Control Settings, then Wireless Settings, and once the list pops up, select your wireless network. Enter your password and select Next on the on-screen keyboard, then select Connect, and your projector will connect to your network. Lastly, back out and scroll to Application and select Alexa. We already have a pair code, but if you don't, hit Register and one will be generated. And now we have all the information we need for the next part. And now for the next part. We need to register our projector at mydevices.optoma.com. Using a web browser on your computer or mobile device, go to mydevices.optoma.com. I already have an account, but if you don't, go ahead and create one and log in. Click on Add Device, enter your 11-digit serial number as it is shown in the projector's Alexa app, then your pair code from the same place. Then select an alias from the drop-down menu and click Submit. Your device is now added. Super sweet. Now all we have to do is go into our Alexa app, enable our Optoma Smart Projection for Smart Home skill, and let the app discover the projector. Log into your Alexa app using your Amazon login credentials, select the menu in the top left corner of the app and push Skills. Next, search for Optoma and select Optoma Smart Projection for Smart Home. Push the Enable button and enter your Optoma My Devices login credentials. Once the skill has been successfully linked, use the X at the top right to close the screen, select Discover Devices, Alexa will discover the device, and there it is. And now you can use Alexa to power your projector on and off, adjust volume, change inputs, and control the built-in media player. Bye bye remotes. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit us at OptomaUSA.com. I'm Tom from Optoma. Thanks for hanging out.